How to add unsubscribe link in SendGrid. So first, just simply go to your SendGrid website right here and make sure that you are logged in first by clicking on the sign in button here on the top right if you haven't logged in yet. And once you're logged in, you'll be brought right here on the dashboard. Just simply hover to the left navigation menu right here, then click on marketing. Once you've clicked on it, you will see the single send option below it. Just simply click on that. Then it will bring you right here on this page. Just click on the create a single send, then hover to the blank template right here, then click on select, or you could also go with the email designs. But for me, I'm going to go with the blank template. Then go to code editor. So simply select code editor right there. Then wait for it to load. And once you're here, just simply input this line of text that I will put wherever you want the text to appear on your email. So if you want like a normal unsubscribe link, just simply copy this and paste it right here. So as you can see, this is what it will look like. So when a user clicks it, they are taken to a landing page to confirm their unsubscription and are added to your global suppression list. But if you want something more styled, you can copy this. So I'm going to replace this first one that I've put to this. So you can change the font family, the font size and everything, even the color. And that is how I basically added a subscribe link in SendGrid.